In this video, I'll show you how to silence notifications while driving on your Samsung phone. This is a great way to stay safe and avoid distractions while you're behind the wheel. To enable this feature, follow these steps. Open the Settings app. Tap on Safety and Emergency. Tap on Silence Notifications while driving. Toggle the switch to the on position. Once you've turned on this feature, your phone will automatically go into Do Not Disturb mode when you start driving. This will silence all notifications except for the ones you allowed. If you want to allow calls from certain contacts or emergency alerts, add them to Allowed Exceptions. Go to your control center, then long press on Do Not Disturb button. Click Calls and Messages. Tap on Add Contacts. Now select the contact that you want to allow calls and messages while driving. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.